Good morning, dear students. In the last class, we discussed about the pair of linear equation in two variables, and that is graphing method I taught you. Okay, so now here we'll go for the exercise 3.1. So in this exercise 3.1, this is the first question, that is, Aftab tells his daughter, 7 years ago, I was 7 times as old as you were. Then also 3 years from now, I shall be 3 times as old as you will be. Okay, is not this interesting? Represent this situation algebraically and graphically. Okay, these type of problems are important. So how it is important and why is important? See, as an examination point of view, this type of question may be asked for 3 marks. Sometimes they remove this, graphically they remove, so they ask this word problems for 3 marks. Okay, these are very important. For at least for 2 marks definitely they'll ask, or for 3 marks they will ask. So what we need to do here, so we need to represent this algebraically in the sense we need to form the equation. Okay, how to form the equation? So by looking into this statements. Okay, so here now what you should do while doing this problem, you should read these questions twice or thrice or 4 times, whatever it according to your comfort. You should read this and understand this question completely. So after understanding the question completely, so you can proceed to solve this. So this is the word problems. It is very easy actually, but you need to convert the given sentence into mathematics. This is word problems. Okay, now see here, Aftab tells his daughter, what he is telling, Aftab tells his daughter, 7 years ago, not now, 7 years ago, I in the sense here, Aftab was 7 times as old as you were then. Okay, telling that he's 7 years older than his daughter when he was 7 years ago. 7 times as old as his daughter. 7 times is nothing but 7 into s1. So also 3 years from now. Now it is so this is the second statement. Also 3 years from now. So now what is our age? So after 3 years from now, I shall be 3 times as old as you will be. So it's telling as a 3 times as old as you will be. So now we need to find the age of this father and daughter, or else don't need to find the age. So at least you need to represent this in the algebraic form in the sense you need to write in the form of mathematics. Okay, now what is Aftab age? We don't know what is Aftab age, so write like this: let the Aftab age be x. Let Aftab age be x. Aftab age be x years. Okay, so next, and her daughter and his daughter ages. So daughter age be y years. So Aftab age is x years and daughter's age is y years. Okay, now go for the flashback. What is that? 7 years ago. So here 7 years ago, 7 years ago. So 7 years ago, what happened here? 7 years ago is telling that Aftab ages. What is Aftab age? 7 years ago. Now present age is x years. 7 years ago. So Aftab age, which is equals to x minus 7 years. X minus 7 years. And daughter's age. Even what is the daughter's age? So the present age of daughter is y. So 7 years ago, what is her age? It is also same as y minus 7. Y minus 7 years. Okay, x minus 7 years and y minus 7 years. Now here they gave one more statement. What the statement? So just look into this. Aftab tells his daughter that 7 years ago, I was 7 times as old as you. 7 times as old as you. So according to the question, what we can write here? According to the question, so we can write that. According to the question, we can write that x. Okay, what is it? Aftab age is equals to 7 times as old as daughter's age. So Aftab age is 7 times as old as daughter's age. What is Aftab age? X minus 7. This is age is equals to 7 times is daughter's age. So 7 times 7 into what is his daughter's age? Y minus 7. Okay, simplify this. So it will get x minus 7, which is equals to 7 into y. 7y minus 7. Now simplify this further. So here x minus 7y. Okay, x minus 7y. Oh, sorry, here we need to multiply. So what is 7 sevens are? So 7 sevens are 49. So here this one 7 sevens are 49. Here 7 into y is 7y, plus into minus minus 7 sevens are 49. So here x transpose to the left hand side, 7 x minus 7y, so which is equals to 49. 49, sorry, minus 49, and here minus 7 is there. When it come to the right hand side, so it become plus 7, so it is plus 7. So therefore x minus 7y, which is equals to minus 42. Okay, so call this as equation 1. Okay, call this as equation 1. So next what is one more thing they give? So now it is now future. Now what we talked about, we speak about the past. Okay, flashback. So now we're going to speak about this future. What is telling? One more statement. Also 3 years from now, 3 years from now, it is from now, in the sense we need to add. So 3 years from now, I shall be 3 times as old as you will be. So what we can do here, from 3 years from now, what we can do? So take this after 3 years, future, after 3 years. Aftab age. What is Aftab age? Tell me, you only tell me. Aftab age. What is Aftab age? From 3 years from now. Aftab age, which is equals to x plus 3 years, and his daughter age, and his daughter age, and his daughter age, which is equals to y plus 3 years. So now according to the question, according to the question, so what we can do, what they gave here, uh, I shall be 3 times as old as you. Who is 3 times as old as you? Aftab is 3 times as old as his daughter. Okay, therefore Aftab age is x plus 3, and his daughter age is, so 3 times as Aftab, that is you can write here 3y plus x, sorry, y plus 3, 3 times y plus 3. Now simplify this. So x plus 3, which is equals to 3y plus 3. Sorry, sir, not 3, it's 9. 3 3 is a 9. 3 times y is 3, plus into plus plus, 3 3 is a 9. So then x minus 3y, which is equals to 9 minus 3. So x minus 3y, which is equals to 9 minus 3 is 6. Call this as uh, call this as equation 2. Call this as equation 2. Okay, so x minus 7y is equal to minus 42, and x minus 3y is equal to 6. This is the equation 1 and equation 2. Now this is enough for 3 marks. Okay, for 3 marks or 2 marks they'll ask this type of questions. Okay, So now one more thing they give, you need to graphically do the graph, but in the examination they not give this type of question. What they'll do, either they'll take out algebraically or they'll take graphically. So when they give the graphically, directly they give the equations. That is for 4 marks compulsory question, it is fixed. Okay, now about this, what is that, algebraically when they given, we need to convert the given statements into mathematical form or algebraic form. And this type of questions are seems to be difficult, but it's not very, it's very easy. And you need to practice whatever the problems is there in your textbooks and examples and exercise problems. I think it is more than enough. Okay, so all the problems may come from the same concept only in your final examinations. Okay, now what we need to do, we need to do the graphically. So we need to do the graph for the first equation 1 and equation 2. So now we'll do the graph. So how to do the graph? So first one, what is that equation we have here? X okay, x minus 7y is equals to minus 42. This is one equation, and one more equation is x minus 7 is equal to, okay, one more equation is x minus 3y is equal to 6. This second equation. So this is this as you know what we need to do. We need to do the give the values for x and y. Okay, I thought you that you need to convert to the y, then need to give the values of x. Yes, you can give like that also, or also directly you can give, but I'll teach you the direct method later. So first you learn this method. What is that? I think 2 or 3 points or 4. I'll take 4 points. Okay, so now we'll draw the table. We'll do the table now. So after that we'll graph it. Okay, so now what you can do here, so you can write here x minus 7y, which is equals to minus 42 and minus x. So therefore y is equals to minus 7y, which is equals to, take out minus as common, so then what will get 42 plus x. So then y is equals to 42 plus x divided by minus 7. Here minus and here minus get cancelled. So y is equals to x plus 42 by 7, x plus 42 by 7, or 42 plus x by 7, both are same. Okay, both are same. Why? Because 1 plus 2 is equal to 3, or 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. So here also you can do the same. So that is minus 3y, this is equals to minus 3y, which is equal to 6 minus x. Okay, so then y is equals to 6 minus x divided by minus 3. Okay, this is one equation. Now what we can do, you can give the values for x and you can find the values of y. Okay, so what I'll do, so now what I'll do, I'll give the value as minus 7, 0 and plus 7, so it is easy to find. And here I'll give the multiples of x, sorry, multiples of 3. Why? Because divide by 3 is there, here divide by 7 is there, I give the 7. So no need to give the minus 7, 0, 7 like that. You can give any values, even you can give 0, 1, 2, 3, what we did in the first problems and all. So even you can give that. So why I take in the sense, because you divide by divide 7 is there, right? So it is easy for us to division. That's it, only for that reason I did. Or else if you take any other values, you'll get the same answer. Okay, so okay, now what I'll do, so I'll take the minus 7. So here therefore y is equals to, if x is equal to minus 7, so minus 7 plus 42 divided by 7. So what you'll get, y is equals to minus 7 plus 7. So what you'll get, minus 7 plus 42. So minus 7 plus 42, how much you'll get? So 35. 35 by 7. 35 by 7 is nothing but 5. 7 ones are 7 5s are 35. Okay, so next 0. If we take 0, so therefore y is equals to 0 plus 42 divided by 7. Therefore y is equals to 0 by 7 is 42, 0 plus is 42, 42 by 7 is 6, so it is 6. So then 7, so therefore y is equals to 7 plus 42 divided by 7. So y is equals to 42 plus 7 is 49 divided by 7. So 7 sevens are 49, so it is plus 7. Okay, so now next point, next question, so yeah, next one. So I'll take here the division by divide by 3 is there. So what I'll do, I'll take the multiples of 3. So I'll take 0 3 6. 0 is not a multiple of 3, so I took the 0. So now simplify here. So here y, which is equals to 6 minus 0 divided by minus 3. So y is equals to 6 divided by minus 3. What you'll get, 6 divided by minus 3 is 1s are 2s are, that is y is equals to minus 2. So substitute here, so write here. And next y, give the value of y is equal, I took the value of x is 3, so now we give the value, let's say the value 6 minus 3 divided by 3. So y is equals to divided by minus 3, sorry, divided by minus 3. So y is equals to 6 3 divided by minus 3. So y is equals to minus 1. Y is equals to minus 1. Okay, so then next here 0 is there, so therefore y is equals to 6 minus 0 divided by minus 3. So therefore y is equals to 6 by minus 3. If the 6 divided by minus 3 is there, so 1s are 2s are, that is minus 2. 6 divided by, here y value is minus 2. I hope all of you understood this. Now what we need to do, we need to graph this. We need to do the graph for this, graph this. Okay, what are the maximum values? 7 and yet minus 2. Okay, 7 is there, so I'll take the one little bigger graph. No, it's enough. I'll take take the we'll take the 15 cross 15. Okay, now we'll graph this. Okay, okay, now take the, as usual, take your pencil and scale and draw the lines. Draw the lines. As usual, do the construct. Graph this as usual. Take the sharpened pencil. Okay, while doing in the exam also to do the same. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Take exactly to the off. Okay, plotted the we pointed the graph here. This is y, this is y dash down, x dash. Okay, so now plot the graph accordingly. So we'll paste the table here, so it is helpful for us. Now we'll plot the graph. So here first one, x-axis minus 7, so x-axis minus 7, then y-axis, the first one we'll plot for the first one, x-axis minus 7, y-axis plus 5. So here minus 7 is here, so plus 5 is somewhere here, so locate here. So next here 0 comma 6, so here 0 and here 6. Okay, 0 comma 6. So next 7 comma 7, so here it is 7, and if we go up and here also it is 7, 7 comma 7. Okay, now take the shape and draw a straight line. This is the graph. Okay, so we'll draw the one more graph and also locate the and also write the points. So here what are the points? The points are minus 7 comma 5, and here 0 comma 6, and here 7 comma 7. Okay, so next point is we'll do the next, that is 0 comma minus 2. So 0 comma minus 2 will get here. So 0 comma minus 2, and 3 comma minus 1. So 3 minus 1, 3 comma minus 1, and 6 comma minus 6 comma, is it minus 2? Yeah, we'll check it. 6 comma sorry, 6 comma 0, right? So what we got here? 6 comma 0, 6 0, 0 minus 2. For 6 you'll get 0, right? Okay. Oh, I not took 6 only. Okay, sorry, see here. So please change here. So that this value is 6 here. If it is 6, so here it is 0. So then here it is here also it is 0. Please make a change here. So now it is 6 comma 0 somewhere here. Okay, so now plot the graph. Okay, so now this is the graph we got. So what type of graph it is? So it is a parallel lines. Okay, so is it consistent? No, it is not consistent. Do you remember the consistent and non-consistent things what we did in the last class? Okay, this is the thing. So write the scale. So scale x-axis, scale x-axis 1 centimeter is equals to 1 unit, and y-axis 1 centimeter is equals to 1 unit. That's it. Okay, so here the points are not intersecting, so I'll not get a exact one x and y values. Why? Because it is not intersecting points, so it's a parallel lines. Okay, I hope all of you understood. Okay, so then try to solve this problem in the homework book. A coach of a cricket team buys 3 bats and 6 balls for rupees 3,900. Later she buys another bat and 3 more balls at the same kind for 1,300. Represent the situation algebraically and geometrically. So first you need to draw the find the equations, then need to draw the graph. Okay, I hope all of you do this. Okay, so find this, try to do the answer for this. In the next class we'll discuss about the answer for this. Okay, so but you try in your homework book. Okay, and if you want to graph this, take the graph sheet and paste in the homework book. Okay, then have a nice day, take care, bye.